Let's make croquetas de jamón. This crispy ham fritter is made with a bechamel sauce, ham, and a crispy fried exterior. This is one of those signature appetizers you can find in Spain, in Puerto Rico, and across Latin America. Start by sauteing some onions in butter before adding in diced ham and flour. This is going to create the base of our bechamel sauce, which is going to be the filling of these fritters. It's important to cook down that flour a bit before we add our milk, and then continue to stir as the milk is being added so that nothing gets clumpy and we get that super creamy filling consistency we're looking for. At this point, you can add your seasonings. It's just salt, pepper, and some nutmeg, and mix everything together to get it evenly incorporated. We'll keep heating this until it begins to thicken significantly, enough to coat your spoon, and then we'll transfer to a freezer-safe container, cover, and freeze for at least 2 hours. The purpose of freezing the filling is so that we can get a solid consistency that is safe to bread and fry. And once it's reached that point, it's safe to fry. So we're gonna shape it. I like using a cookie scoop, but you can use your hands. Then we'll dredge it in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs before frying. I really enjoy serving these with some minced chives or green onion and flaky salt. Serve your croquetas as an appetizer or as a side to any of your favorite Puerto Rican dishes. I swear there's something about the texture, that crunchy outside and smooth, creamy inside, that is totally addicting. Buen provecho.